How to create a slope chart in Excel for happiness country ranking. Create chart from selection. Search for slope chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Slope chart is created successfully. Slope chart data requirements. You need 2 columns of categorical data to create a slope chart. Categorical data definition: it describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need 1 column of numerical data to create a slope chart. Numerical data definition: it is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. Important: slope chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image in the right. Search for slope chart. Then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Slope chart is created successfully. How to edit a chart. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties. Then enter the header text. Click on the Apply button. Click on the column header properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Font Style section. Adjust the font style as needed. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Label and Line Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Font Style section. Adjust the font style as needed. Click on the Stats section. You can set the precision. Click on the Apply All button. Click on the Save Changes button. How to export a chart. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in SVG, PDF, PNG, or JPG. The exported chart file will appear in the Downloads folder. How to install ChartExpo add-in. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins box. Click on the ChartExpo add-in to select it. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.